I'm James Maxwell and I'm one of the staff horticulturalists here at Rogers Gardens. And today I'm going to talk about California native plants for the cow-friendly garden. California native plants are great for the garden because A, they require very little water once established, B, they generally don't need any soil amendment and fertiliser, and C, they're great for incorporating wildlife such as hummingbirds, butterflies and other pollinators. So I'm going to talk about some structural native plants for the garden today. First being the Ceanothus. Ceanothus comes in a wide array of plants, shape and sizes. This variety is called Ceanothus Dark Star. It's probably one of my favourites, and you can see it's in pretty much full bloom. Very deep blue flowers with petite glossy foliage. A wonderful plant. Another great foundation plant for the garden would be our native Bay Laurel. This plant is called Valerio Californica, and these can get quite big. They don't mind being pruned, so they're great as a foundation hedge at the back corner of the yard, or even a specimen tree. They have a wonderful strong scent to them, even stronger than the Mediterranean Bay Laurel. Another great structural plant for the garden, which has wonderful benefits when it comes to attracting hummingbirds, are the Manzil Eaters. This one is Arctostaphylos sentinel. It's a sprawling shrub, has wonderful red stems, typical of the Manzil Eaters. Probably gets to around about 7 or 8 feet. Sometimes a little less, sometimes a little bit more, and it can sprawl probably a lot wider. Another favourite of mine when it comes to large structural shrubs would be the Fremontodendron, otherwise known as the flannel bush. And you can see the wonderful, brilliant yellowish orange flowers. They contrast very well with the blue Ceanothus, which I have in front here. Another favourite of mine is a little bit smaller, gets to around about 3 feet, and it's one of our native salvias, and this is a hybrid called Winifred Gilman. One of the hardier of the Salvia clevelandia hybrids, produces wonderful plumes of blue tubular flowers, kind of a lightish blue, but the smell or the scent on it is just incredible. So these are just a few of the native plants I recommend for a cow-friendly setting. I hope you've enjoyed my introduction to native plants. Once again, I'm James Maxwell at Rogers Gardens.